How to make meatloaf at home. Meatloaf is a classic comfort food that is easy to make at home. Here's a recipe to get you started. Ingredients: 1 pound ground beef, 1/2 cup breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup milk, 1 egg, 1/2 onion, finely chopped, 1/2 green bell pepper, finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1/4 cup ketchup, 2 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 2. In a large bowl, combine the ground beef, breadcrumbs, milk, egg, onion, green bell pepper, garlic, ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, salt, and black pepper. 3. Use your hands to mix the ingredients together until everything is evenly distributed. 4. Form the mixture into a loaf shape and place it in a baking dish. 5. Bake the meatloaf for 45 to 60 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius. 6. Let the meatloaf rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing and serving. You can also customize this recipe by adding different seasonings, vegetables, or toppings to suit your taste preferences. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.